How to buy DTRXBT token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screen here. Now, to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address came under the base network. So open your wallet. For that, I will use the BitGet wallet. Now what you need to do here, just log into your account or to your wallets. Now select the base as a network, click on this plus icon. Now paste the token address here. So this is our token. Now click on plus to add it to your wallet. Go back to your wallet and now find your token. So as you can see, this is our token, click on it. After that, click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT or USDC. Now make sure you have enough USDC on your wallet. Here, type how much you want to buy. Now just wait. As you can see, this is how much you receive. After that, click on buy now, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy DTRXBT token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.